you're choreographing for Roy, and what are the other films that you choreographing?
Now I'll be going for Roy. Then there'll be Sanjay Gupta's next. He's making that gangster film with John and Anil and Vivek.
Right.
Then there are 2-3 more films which I need to just lock down.
Ahmed, in fact, made his debut of sorts as an actor. You've seen him in Mr. India, you've seen him in Raak, Amir Khan's Raak as well.
Yeah.
So, can we see you acting in the future as such?
Yeah, I've been offered some.
There were reports that Mr. India 2 you may be part of.
They were thinking, and they'll be just thinking. But now, if you realize that role of mine, my son can play. He's my age.
Exactly.
But the 2 years.
That next, actually.
He's 2 years older to me. What I was in Mr. India, I was 11.
Right.
He's 13.
Right.
So I don't look. I look the same. Maybe if I shave, maybe I.
We've been seeing your son. I think he's one of the assistants, I believe.
He's assisting on the set.
It's a wonderful sight just seeing him taking charge of the entire.
He's 13, Faridun.
Right.
He's 13.
Right.
His name is Azan. Abba, I want to come on the floor and assist the direction. I said, go see. I didn't know that when he took the walkie-talkie and he took charge and he was handling 20 camels and 200 junior artists.
Right. No, we saw that yesterday. And the way he was just handling.
And I didn't see that side of him. I always thought he's a child. And when on the set, yeah, ready, checking, okay, lock up, move in, where's the artist, move, okay, and good to go, all this. And I was like, what? And if you see, he makes his short films.
Actually, he does.
He does. And he's got his group of friends. They get together. And Remo's kids, Vipul Shah's kids, Sajid Bhai's kids, they all get together and they make short films. So he's got a couple of films which are uploaded on YouTube also.
Achha, they are?
Yeah. And he's got good hits. And he's got people who like his films.
Okay.
So he is a person who is already in the industry.
So he's like the future director?
Hope so. God willing, everything
director
goes well.
Or like actor as well? He's quite a good looking boy as well.
Yeah, he's been promised by many people that he'll be launched. So he's like, okay, but...
I'm just weighing my options.
But he knows, he says, Abba, Amir Khan also was an assistant. Salman Khan was also an assistant. Ranbir Kapoor was also an assistant. So should I...
Arjun Kapoor.
Everybody was assistant. So should I... Hrithik Roshan was an assistant.
Right.
So I said, yeah. They said, I need to know what is behind the camera first. Then I should go ahead. So I said, yeah, he's talking big. Let's see.
Finally, amongst the lot of younger crop that has come up in terms of actors, both girls and boys, and some of them, they are very good dancers. How do you rate a few of the youngsters as such in terms of dancing?
I feel they all are trained here. ये सब सीख के आए हैं. And पहले का सीखना अलग था. When even I was 19 when I did Rangila. So for me, everybody were very elderly and they were like, इतना सीखना है, इतना डायलॉग बोलना, इतना ये करना है. क्योंकि वो टाइम पे ना people are not open to YouTubes and net and WhatsApp and all these things, and there was the only thing which was there was यार नया dish antenna आया है और MTV आया है. So today's crowd, today's youngsters, straight away they put our actors in comparison with the international actors.
Right.
Music with international music. They put the singers and everybody with the international people. So they have comparison. यार टाइगर को देख लो. उससे ज़्यादा तैयारी किसकी होगी?
No, absolutely. He's very.
This prepared, I feel is over prepared. So you take any actor today, youngster, Varun, Siddharth, Arjun. So today these boys are ready to do anything and everything because they're prepared. पहले क्या होता था, हीरो बनना है, हॉर्स राइडिंग सीख रहा हूँ मैं और डायलॉग डिलीवरी सीख रहा हूँ और बस मेकअप, बाल कैसे रखना पता नहीं, बॉडी कैसे बनानी पता नहीं, डांस किस लेवल का होगा पता नहीं. तो टुडे यू टॉक अबाउट दिस गाइज, दे आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग यार. आज मैं कभी सोच सकते हो आपके एक शॉट सोचना है आपको कि हीरोइन खड़ी और हीरो उसके ऊपर सर से ऊपर गोल घूम के उसको यहाँ टक किस करके जाएगा. यू कांट थिंक ऑफ इट.
He's another level altogether.
So that's what.
And he doesn't do it like those are not camera tricks. He came to our office and he did like an amazing stuff in our office itself.
Yeah.
Okay, so Ahmed, it was lovely to have you on board Ama, and that too in the beautiful environment of Bikaner out here, and looking forward to Kick, and I'm sure that बड़े पर्दे पर चवन्नियाँ जब फेंकी जाएंगी स्क्रीन्स के ऊपर, I think वो ज़माना उसकी बात ही अलग है.
आएगा ऑफिस.
वो उसकी बात ही और in fact
Kick will do that.
Yeah, I think that should be doing it, and I'm sure that you'll get to work with Salman and a lot of others very soon. Anything with Amir coming up?
Amir not yet. Let's see. Maybe next year sometime.
You did Gajni with him, in fact.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you very much and all the best wishes, man.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
That's all from Bordering Ama. Keep on watching.